Okay, we're gonna start at the portal quest. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, do you have your book?
No.
Where did our books go?
Oh, I know where my book is.
I'm gonna go try to find mine. Find mine if you can. I'm looking at what. Did? Oh yeah, our mystical chests.
Yeah, I must.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. See. Past it. Zick. Here we go.
That's
Wait,
the
no.
protection. We need the portal.
I went way too far. Here we go. But the portal is so easy.
Whatever.
Let's go.
We have gold, right? Or do we need to strike the 500 gold chest?
A 1,000 gold chest.
Oh, 1,000 gold. Oh, there it is.
Now we need to go to the lady in the wall. Let's go. Here we go.
Okay, looks like we have to do the freezing room. Here we go. Okay, that one's the next one. Okay. Looks like we need to get a lantern. There it is. Okay. Looks like we need to go up the stairs to find a tree. Oh, let's go. Pause it. There it is. Got it. Okay, we need to go to the pine path. Sit. There it is. Freezing book. Wall. We need to go. Wait, we need to go back. Looks like we need to start the paper. Here we go. Now we need to go to the enchanted forest to find. He's a grump. Oh, here we go. Boom.
Oops.
Dazzle.
First one, enchanted forest. And we gotta find, let's see, wait. The red one. Next, we have to go to enchanted forest again to find the blue one. Here it is. Now, tiny path finds the yellow one. Now, Pixie's Dwell. Pause it. There it is. Now Tingle Woods. To that one. I'm done.
White crystal.
But
You
now
found the white crystal.
Now we need to go to the Whispery Woods. Okay, I think I'm done.
Yep.
Let's see. How about you do one now?
No, it's fine. You can keep doing them.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, I guess I'm doing the protection now. Okay, we need to do a 2,000 gold piece. Over here. 2,000! Enchanted forest, the time glass. And we got 30 seconds to do it. Ready, set, go!
There. That was easy. Now we need to move to the ice arrow.
Wait, no. We gotta go to the Forgotten Hall. A rock head. Yeah, we gotta be like a rock head. Okay. Forgotten Hall.
What are you doing? That's the Enchanted Forest.